You've talked a lot about wanting to make fighting health disparities a priority. Can you talk a little about that?
Yeah, and actually, as I've talked with people about it, I talk about both the disparities, which is kind of the problem that exists out there,
yes.
But also health equity and health justice. I think that health justice sometimes resonates better with people. I'm a public health person, so we usually talk about the equity end of it. But I think that that's all very critical to what we're trying to do here. And what that means in a very practical way is, first of all, drawing attention to it. So making sure that agencies are looking at the data there. You know, the ACA required that race, ethnicity, language are all, the data is all captured there. It should also be presented, so we should have a good understanding of who didn't enroll by those kind of factors.
Right.
And then we should be asking the questions of why there are differences in that and what we can do about it. And I know we work towards that, but I think all of us with our partners need to really pay a lot of attention to that. Right? You know, you've probably had the same saw that I have, which is what gets measured gets done.
Absolutely.
So,
and you can't fix it if you don't measure it.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think we'll, and that kind of dovetails into the other piece of what I hope we do more of, which is both encouraging people to provide the data and making use of the data to inform our decisions, to inform the advocacy that we do, so that we not only can present kind of the true human impact of this, what people's stories are, because that's super important, but also what's the scope of this through the data and why that's there. So between the health equity and the data, those are two of the things I think we'll continue to emphasize here at UCAN.